You may have heard about a recent high-profile case involving an aortic dissection. While this condition is rare, it is a medical emergency that everyone should know about. Welcome to ScienceMyHealth, your channel for health and research information. An aortic dissection happens when the inner layer of the body's largest artery, called the aorta, tears. The biggest risk factor is high blood pressure, so if you have been diagnosed with high blood pressure, you can lower your risk by keeping it under control. Other risk factors include smoking, an aortic aneurysm, inherited conditions like Marfan syndrome, and cocaine use. Older adults and men are affected more often, but it can happen at any age. The warning signs include sudden, severe chest or upper back pain that feels like tearing or ripping, along with shortness of breath, fainting, or weakness. If these symptoms happen, call 911 right away. Early treatment can save your life. Leave a comment below letting us know what health research topic you want us to cover next. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Science My Health to stay up to date on the latest health research news.